Monetize channel ka na ba? At na-reach mo na ang requirements na $10 para makapagpadala si Google AdSense ng PIN sa'yo? Nakatatlo or 4 na request ka na ba? Subalit hindi pa rin to dumarating? Sa video na ito, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-manual PIN verification. Pero kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong videos. In my case po, nakatatlo at naka-4 na request na po ako ng PIN, subalit hindi pa rin po dumarating. So, baka daw po ma-disable ang ads kapag ganun po ang nangyayari. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-manual na po ako. At paano nga po ba mag-manual verification? Dito sa Verify Your Billing Address, click that 3 dots and then click nyo po yung Help. After nyan, lalabas po itong Address PIN Verification Overview. So, scroll down nyo lang po ito. Labas po o makikita nyo yung having problems with your PIN. Click nyo po yung Print Troubleshooter and then makikita nyo po yung mga questions dyan na sasagutin natin. So, unang question ay, are your earnings greater than verification threshold, which is $10 po? So, syempre yes. Have you received your PIN? No, kaya po tayo nagmamanual. Have you already request for replacement pins? Yes po, naka-4 na po tayo. And then, click nyo lang po yung contact us. After nyo po maklik yan, ay lalabas po itong mga required field na sasagutan natin. Name, contact email address, your AdSense publisher ID, and then yung i-attach nyo pong proof of identity, which is government issued ID, or yung bank statement, telephone bill, or rent receipt. So, pwede po kahit alin dyan yung i-attach nyo. So, ilagay na po ninyo yung complete name ninyo. And then, yung contact email address nyo na naka-link kay Google AdSense. And then, yung AdSense Publisher ID. Ayan yung pong makikita nyo may pub, tapos yung may mga numbers po. Nandun po yan sa Google account ninyo. Google AdSense account po ninyo. And then, after that, i-attach nyo na po yung inyong chosen proof of identity. And then, click the submit button. After nyo po masubmit button nya, yung masubmit po yung inyong requirements na yan, ay malalabas po itong your email has been sent. The form has been submitted to AdSense support. We'll try to get back to you within 24 hours if your query is about your account and requires an action from our side. At ayun na nga, wala pang 1 minuto ay nag-email na si Google AdSense. At ito ang nilalaman ng email niya. Thanks for sending your proof of identity. I am happy to let you know that this fulfills the address verification requirement for Google AdSense. Please note you may still see the payment hold notification in your account. Rest assured that your PIN has been verified. So, verified na tayo ni Google AdSense. So, kung makikita nyo, pag pumunta tayo sa aking Google AdSense account, wala na yung verify your billing address kasi verified na tayo. So, ganun lang po kasimple ang pag-manual PIN verification.